Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the Nomadic Wandering Star. And today we're out at Kofa, King of Arizona National Wildlife Refuge. And this is the Labyrinth, however you want to pronounce it. We're at Palm Canyon Road, and that road is 19 miles south of Quartzsite on 95, I'm sorry. And what you see, and this is 3 miles in. And this is a spiritual thing. And you saw a little entrance, and you walk yourself all the way around these circles. Now, I'm going to cheat right here. I'm going straight across to show you the center. You walk all these circles all the way around. Keep walking. It's quite a trip. I don't know exactly how far it is. And when you get to the center, you make a wish, and you lay your token in the center and make a wish and get your spirit together. And then you back yourself out 3 turns and then turn around and walk out regularly. So it's quite the little deal to see. And it's, like I say, 3 miles in. I'm doing a voiceover because the wind just totally destroyed the acoustics out here that day. But up ahead is a place called the Canyon, Palm Canyon. This is Palm Canyon Road. And there's supposedly some palm trees in there that have been there for almost 1,000 years, or prehistoric times, what I'm hearing. So like I say, you make a little token gesture, and there's the entrance over there. You walk yourself back out, and by the time you're out, you feel pretty good. You have a lot of soul searching, and it seems this place does have a little bit of magic to it. I'm not really sure, but it's quite a good size. I don't know who maintains it or anything, but it's taken care of. I think it's done by a lot of people that come in. A little bit here and a little bit there will take care of it. So it's pretty nifty little deal. So we're going to hop in the van here in a little bit and head on up. And there's National Wildlife Refuge. And right over there, that white van, that's the camp host. Now, you don't really have to stop and register with him. And, of course, there's a set of rules on this brown sign, a set of rules of what you can do and what you can't do. And then you go in. And over to the left here in a minute, you'll see another sign. This is Palm Canyon Road we're on. This little road right here that cuts over to the left, that's, I think, Kofa Queen Canyon Road. And there's another canyon off over that way. It's supposed to be some pretty good camping. But we're going to take a look at some of these cholas out here. Beautiful little cactus. And they say when they get a vibration in the ground, they drop their little needle packages. I guess each one of those little round things is a needle package, and it drops it so that you can get you can get attached to your clothes or animals or whatever and drug all over the place. And down here in the lower part, there's not a lot of them, but as we get up closer, you'll see there'll be quite some more. We'll get out in here and show you quite a bit. I'm sorry, I don't mean to make everybody dizzy here, but yeah, there's quite a few of them down here. Not bad. When you get up farther, you'll see that there are quite a lot. But these are starting to blossom. You know, this is springtime, so these are starting to blossom. So I'm going to see if I can't find us one or two with some buds on it where it's getting ready to flower. And I think I found one here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah, it's be right up here in a minute. But look at all these things. They're everywhere. You don't want to go walking out there and get too close to one. You'll definitely end up pulling them out of your clothes. So, yeah, I think I found one in here, and I've got a couple still pictures of, yeah, I think there's one right here. I think I've got a still pictures of a couple of the flowers that'll come up here in a minute. They're not quite flowered out yet. They're just starting to. So, yeah, see, there's some nice looking ones right there. And that's what they look like. They're really pretty. And then on up ahead, as you'll see, we've got a bit of a road to hoe. And, yeah, they're everywhere, man. As the higher we go, the more there are. That's really kind of crazy. But I think from the pavement up to the top here where the canyon is, I think it's right around 6.5 to 7 miles. So 19 miles south of Quartzsite and about 7 miles in, we're going right up there where that canyon, the shadows are. So hang on, we'll be there in a few minutes. Doesn't take long. And you can see the little flat spot in front of you. That's the trail. We hiked up in here about 2 days ago. And up there's me and my wife doing the hike up there. And then there's a picture. There's the palm trees. They're up in a crevice. And they say they've been there from prehistoric times, so I don't really know. And there's our group that we went up there with, some good people. Shortly after that, my wife fell and crashed her wrist. But she's gonna be all right. So yeah, she definitely got it going on. And if you look carefully over there, that's our trailer. Kidding, couldn't see it if you wanted to from here, but you have binoculars. But out there's a tan strip. You'll see just off in the distance. I'll point it out, but it's right along the mountain line up there. That's Yuma Live Fire Range for the U.S. Army, and just below that south towards Yuma is Yuma Proving Grounds. We did a video of that place too, and they come out pretty good. So it's really pretty up here. I enjoy camping here. A little windy at times, but it's the desert. It is what it is. And people going down the road, if you depend on which side of the road and the wind's blowing, you get a little dust in the vehicle. So I hope you guys enjoyed what you've seen, and please keep us in mind. Give us a like, subscribe, tell your friends, share, leave a comment, and I'll do a goofy little picture here towards the end. But it is really nice up here. I enjoy really being here. All right, so y'all take care, and we'll talk to you later. Happy trails.